If you found mouse droppings under your hood, chewed wires, or even a nest in your engine bay, don't ignore it. Mice can cause thousands of dollars in damage, and the longer they stay, the worse it gets. The good news is that you don't need random home remedies or expensive gadgets. You just need to know what actually works. The first thing to understand is why mice get into cars in the first place. They're not interested in your car. They're looking for a warm, safe place to hide. After you drive, your engine stays warm for hours, especially during winter. If the car doesn't move much, it becomes the perfect place for a mouse to sleep, build a nest, and even raise babies. The first step is to check if mice are still there. Look for small black droppings, shredded paper or insulation, leaves packed into corners, chewed plastic, or damaged wires. You might also notice a strong smell coming from the engine bay. If you find a nest, remove it as soon as possible, but don't do it with your bare hands. Wear gloves and a mask. Mouse droppings can carry harmful germs. Before cleaning, spray the area with a disinfectant and let it sit for a few minutes. Then wipe everything up with paper towels. Don't sweep or vacuum dry droppings because that can spread tiny particles into the air. Now comes the important part. You need to get the mice out, not just clean up after them. One of the easiest ways to do that is with a mouse trap. These traps let the mouse enter but prevent it from getting back out, so you can release it somewhere away from your home later. Place the traps on the ground around your car, especially near the tires, along garage walls, or wherever you've seen droppings. Peanut butter is one of the best baits because mice can smell it from a distance. Check the traps at least once or twice a day so the mouse isn't left inside for long. Next, look around the area where you park. If your garage has birdseed, pet food, grass seed, or open trash, you're giving mice another reason to stay. Store food in sealed containers and clean up anything they can eat or use for nesting. If your car sits for days or weeks without moving, try driving it more often. Mice like quiet places where nothing changes. A car that's driven every day is much less attractive than one that's parked for long periods. Now, let's talk about the things you see all over the internet. Peppermint oil is one of the most popular suggestions. Yes, mice don't like the smell. But the smell fades quickly, especially in a hot engine bay. If mice have already built a nest, peppermint oil alone isn't going to make them leave. At best, it might help a little after you've already removed the mice. Dryer sheets are another popular trick. Many people put them under the hood hoping they'll keep mice away. The problem is there's very little proof they actually work. Some people say they helped. Others found mice building nests right next to the dryer sheets. Ultrasonic repellents also get mixed results. Some people have success with them, while others notice no difference at all. If you decide to use one, think of it as something that might help, not something that will solve the problem by itself. If mice have already chewed your wiring before, there's another product worth looking at. Some car makers sell rodent-resistant electrical tape that's coated with capsaicin, the same compound that makes chili peppers hot. It won't stop mice from entering your car, but it can make them less likely to chew important wires in the future. You should also check under the hood every few days if you've had mice before. It only takes a minute, and catching a new nest early is much easier than dealing with major wiring damage later. The biggest mistake people make is trying one trick for a day or two and expecting the mice to disappear. That's usually not enough. You need to remove the nest, catch the mice, clean the area, and remove anything that's attracting them. Doing just one of those steps often isn't enough, so if you want the quickest and most effective solution, keep it simple. Remove any nests, clean the engine bay safely, use live catch traps around the car, remove food sources nearby, and drive the car regularly. If you want extra protection, you can add rodent-resistant tape to exposed wiring after the mice are gone. There isn't one magic product that keeps every mouse away forever. But if you remove the shelter, remove the food, and make your car a place they don't feel safe, they'll usually move on and find somewhere else to live